Hello, hello, hello. Tyler Ramey back today with a eating show slash mukbang slash eat with me. And I have Burger King. Did you hear those octaves? I'm very excited because I am famished. It's the day after Christmas and I ate horrible yesterday all day, so I tried to do really good. And what can I say? I went for Burger King for dinner because I did so well all day. Is that how it's supposed to work? You're supposed to reward yourself like that. So I have a Veggie Burger Combo. As some of you may know, I think I mentioned this in another one of my videos, I am pescatarian, which means the cat is down there, as always. Just disregard if anything crazy happens. I'm a pescatarian, which means I do eat seafood, but no land animals, if you will. So, a Veggie Burger, can you believe it? I was in shock when I discovered they had this. So, I just wanted to invite you for dinner. Fries. You gotta have fries. I did see that a side salad was an option, and I thought, you know what? It's Burger King, like, get fries. And then, here's the Veggie Burger in all its delicious glory. We're coming to you live from my kitchen, and by we, I mean me and the cats. So yeah. Just wanted to check in. I'll actually bring this to you to show you. I am impressed with their Veggie Burger. I gotta tell you guys, I know it's probably just Morningstar, but it's really good. Hold on. Look at this Veggie Burger deliciousness here. It's probably gonna be hard to see. It's on like that steamed type bun, like they would do like a fish sandwich, which I prefer over the sesame seed. Now, what I cannot stand, and I don't know if anybody is with me on this, and I know they can't help it. Well, they probably could help it. But when the burger is all sideways, I have to have everything in the middle. So I'm going to deconstruct it here a little and even it out. I've got some tomatoes, lettuce, mayonnaise, onion. Every time I eat onion now, I am reminded of Lady T because she loves her some onions and I love me some onions. So Lady T, I'm with you on that one. So I've got my little Veggie Burger here. Put that off to the side. I'm salivating like a dog because I am famished. And I did not ask them for ketchup because every time I do, they always give you like 2 things of it. They also forgot a straw. So I'm having to use my Starbucks stainless steel straw. Because you got to improvise when it comes to fast food places, right? Because you know they're going to be messing stuff up. Little ketchup there for the fries. This is organic ketchup from Aldi. If you have an Aldi near you, please go to one. They are fabulous. So, let's have a fry. I'm telling you, Burger King fries have grown on me as of late. Speaking of eating show, the cats are sitting there watching me. Eat. Fuck you. And I've talked about this before, but why I like eating videos, first of all, I'm usually hungry when I'm eating them. Second of all, sometimes I really will just sit down and have my dinner while people are having theirs, and it's like they're there with you. Is that weird? I guess this whole thing is weird. But hey, who wants to be normal? Okay, let's try this Veggie Burger. Try, like I've not had 9,000 of them. I like to get a bite with everything. Like I say, that bun is yummy. It's that steamed bun situation. Cats are fighting. Probably hear them in a minute. They fight because they love. Or at least that's what I tell myself. Can you all please not? Hold on. Never mind, they're leaving. They wrestle with each other always in the vicinity of the camera, which inevitably means that it gets knocked over. Every single time. Not ever mascara. Do you all like the crispy, like overly done fries? Or the normal fries? I like the little, kind of the burnt crispy ones. Oh, Diet Coke, because of course, gotta balance it out. Burger King has very carbonated drinks, which I like. Not quite as carbonated as McDonald's, but pretty close. Look at all them onions. Can you see? Messy. That's Burger King. Excuse me. What do you expect? So it's the day after Christmas. I'm very self-loathing today because of all the stuff I ate. Hold on, the cat is trying to. No, we're not playing that game. Just AM Scray out of here. I swear the only time that they do this stuff is when I'm filming. I don't know if they're jealous or just on a mission to make me fail at my YouTube career. But regardless, and if they do knock it over, guess what? I do know how to edit now. I can edit things out. Isn't that fancy? Anyway. It's the day after Christmas. I'm very self-loathing. I ate a bunch of stuff yesterday that I did not want to eat. Ripley, honey, please no. Every time. Just don't touch it. They paw at the cord, which then tugs at the cord, which then takes the, you should see how precariously you're set up right now. You're on a bar stool, and then something else, and then something else, and then your tripod, which is plugged in and looped around the door to prevent the cats from getting at it. Still doesn't work. Oh, I had my oven on warm. I need to turn that off while it's on my brain. And I have a fireside scented woodwick candle burning, so if you hear crackling, that's why. I kind of like this this is a new kitchen island I got for Christmas, and it's a great little height to eat, and hopefully good for filming. So I hope everybody had a nice Christmas time or holiday time. Very pickly today. You know what's weird? Sometimes I don't mind pickles solo, but I don't want them on the sandwich. Is that strange? Good grief. They were loaded on there. They don't kid when they say veggie. Oh, okay. Put that back together here. I love fries so much, y'all. I don't know if you saw my Christmas haul 2016. If not, it's in the list. And I'll also try to link it right now. See if that worked out later. But I got a cat licker for Christmas, which is a silicone tongue that you can groom your cats with for Christmas. Now, I'm not seriously contemplating using it, but it was a funny gift. And I thought this will make a great video, which it did. Okay, let's try this deep pickled. Pretty good. So this has come to my attention. Carrie Fisher from Star Wars had a heart attack. Did you know that? Can we just talk about the fact that 2016, excuse me, has been a pretty awful year all around? I don't know of anybody that had a really good 2016. Now, granted, we still have a week. But my heavens, lots of people died. The election happened. And again, I'm not getting political. I'm not on either side completely. So, but people are crazy. Talk about divide. I think that we as a nation, I'm not going to get into this. We're too divided. Let's move on. That was a contributor to the bad 2016 for me personally. That's when I decided I can't be on Facebook. I have to do a hiatus. So I post about work. That's all. This reminded me that when I went to Burger King, that I really miss burger or just fast food, breakfast in general, biscuit sandwiches. And hey, we're from the South, so down here, wasn't that romantic? Down here we have biscuits and gravy in all the fast food chains as like a staple menu item, and I know many of you probably don't even know what biscuits and gravy is. And if you don't, I feel really sorry for you. It is like a milk-based, delicious white gravy that you put over biscuits. Have it with like sausage or bacon. Well, I don't eat the sausage or bacon, but I make non-animal product gravy, and it's very delicious. And you can't go wrong with a biscuit, or two, or 10. Very crispy today. Hello, little gray kitty. Do you want to come up here? I can't touch you right now. Just have to stay down there. When they're separated, they're fine. When they're together, they cause chaos. As they go and find each other to fight. So Carrie Fisher, good grief. She had a heart attack a week ago, maybe. But I think she's in stable condition. It's just sad to me. I love her. Now, granted, she's a little crazy, but she embraces her craziness. So I'm really concerned about her at the moment. Plus, she still has 2 more Star Wars movies to do. So let me get this straight in my head. I'm not a huge Star Wars buff. I'm a fan, but I'm not like a fanboy, and I don't really. Oh, I have my BB-8 shirt on. I'm not a like a diehard. So I'm not even sure that I understand the timeline of the movies. So in the 70s, we had episodes 4, 5, and 6. Is that right? In the 70s, the original 3, Darth Vader, Luke Skywalker, Leia. That was 4, 5, 6. Then, in the 2000s, we had 1, 2, 3, the prequels, correct? And then recently, when the BB-8 Star Wars world came out, that was episode 7, and then there's going to be 8, 9. And then Rogue Squadron, which is out in theaters now, was pre-70s, which means that was really like episode pre-1. Then there was 1, 2, 3, 2000s, 4, 5, 6 in the 70s, 7, 8, 9 now. A little crazy. Is that right? Let me know if I'm mistaken. But from what I know, that's the correct order. Blow that burp. I live alone, it's fine. Last try here, it's quite depressing. Look at that onion. Excuse me. But I do think Carrie Fisher's going to be okay. I think she's stable. And then George Michael yesterday? Oy. George Michael died. It's all very sad. Nice bite. I don't know what I could use this little area for on my own. Clean up here a little. Oh, I'm so content. I was absolutely famished. Speaking of Star Wars, do y'all want to see a cute magnet? Of course you do. Gosh, it's like a death grip on you. Mewbacca. Isn't that cute? Look at it. Little Chewbacca is a kitty cat, isn't you? Hold on, please. Been working on finishing these off for a while. I've had 2 or 3 packs of these. These are the, yes, I know, I'm a grandma at heart, okay? I like sugar-free candy. I try to, pardon me, I try to limit / avoid added sugar, and I know there's tons of chemicals in this. I know that. But again, it works for me. And I can't be held responsible for what happens when I eat too much sugar because my body goes psychotic. So, these are the Werther's Original Chewy Caramels. Would you like to hear a story about Werther's Originals? Well, you're at the right place. A long time ago in the small European of Werther, didn't know it was based on a town, candy maker Gustav Nebel created his finest candy. He used the best ingredients: butter, cream, brown sugar, salt, and a lot of time to create a treasure worthy of being wrapped in gold. Because they turned out especially well, they were named Werther's Original in honor of the little village. Crafting this smooth, creamy caramel became a family tradition handed down throughout the generations. Sugar-free caramel. I would not recommend this if you have feelings. Super chewy. But good, I'm telling you. I know people turn up their noses at stuff like this, but it's really good. Can't talk right now. And see these, let's see. The product contains sugar alcohols that replace the sweetness of sugar with lower calories and generally only cause a small rise in blood glucose levels. They're good though, I'm telling you. Give them a try. I just cannot start with normal sugar because then I can't stop. Sugar-free gives me that sweet taste, and then I'm okay. Because I was raised in a home where after every meal, you had dessert, you see. There's always something sweet. So now every time I have like a meal, I'm like, where's the dessert? So I have to plan carefully. One more. serving size, by the way. 6 pieces. I had 3. And it's 120 calories. So 20 calories of caramel. Butter and cream. How can there be cane sugar syrup but 0 sugars? Anybody's mama and papa? That's a Southern word for grandparents. Have these in their house/purse all the time. Mine do. And with that, this eating show is a wrap. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.